we are on the boat, and you gotta take the key out. Which I don't know why it's difficult, but it don't want to come out. Take the key out, unscrew it. Trust me, it was much harder than that. This is for camera purposes, you know. I've already taken it out, put it back in, but it looks good, right, on camera. So you take the nut off, pull your ignition switch out, and look at that. 2 broken wires. I wasn't going nowhere no time fast. That's why the damn boat wouldn't crank. 2 broke wires, another wire that's not connected, 3 wires that's not connected. You know, it's just amazing how people just don't care. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 connectors on here. They're all labeled. Wayne, see if you get kind of close on this. They're labeled. You have S, C, B, M, I, and M. The I is ignition, the S is start, and I believe that's where my yellow wire goes. Yeah. And then the C is crank something, I don't know. Have to look them up. So we're gonna take some pictures, get on the internet, and figure out where these things go, how they're supposed to be on here, and rewire it. The good thing is the wires are in good condition and have nice coloring to them, so we should be able to wire them up pretty good. This right here is my my trim. So I got my hot wire, and then got my up and down wires going for the trim. I'm going to assume these are the same wires that would run up front to that switch up there for trim, so I could splice that in if I wanted to. But I'm not too interested about having a trim on the bow of the boat. Maybe it's probably serves some functional purpose, but I'm not going to do it right now. Then the black and orange, not sure what those are. I believe this purple one is for the lights. The purple or the blue is for the lights, for the dimmer, or not dimmer, but the lights on the boat for the gauges and everything. So I gotta figure this stuff out, and I might just go ahead and replace the switch just to be on the safe side, because that key didn't want to come out. So we'll be back.